Hi guys, how are you? This is Sanawali. Today I will be teaching you a really small tutorial for giving you a really small tutorial for how to use stencils, especially for the beginners. This is my second take for my project for this one. I messed the first one up, so yes, I will try to do it a lot faster than I did it last time. Actually, I did not like the tutorial was good enough, but I did not actually like the shade of what I shade on the video. So I'm doing it the second time just now, uh, right now. And yes, I wanted to show you guys the stencil I will be using. It's from Stems by Me Limited, and their stencils are really cool. Lamination plus Stems by Me stencils. This is the packet and this is the back side. If you buy their products, you will always get a free tutorial if you scan me. And it's stemsbyme.co.uk, and no, I am not in their affiliation program. I am their design team, in their design team, and I have personally used their products, lots of products, and I'm just in love with their products. Their stems are quite large. I'm just cleaning up my brush, so just thought I would give you some more details. Their stems are quite large, about 6 inches or 8 inches, and they are like really big and huge. And yes, they are really good and beautiful. Their products, if you want to go and check it out, please do check it out. No hard, it's up to you what product you want to use. Right now I'm using their mandala stencil. As you can see, their stencils are quite heavy and hard. They don't really get damaged that easily. Okay, what I've done is I put the cardstock from face down. This is the top one, and what I'm doing is I've put in the scrap at the back of my card, so I don't ruin the back side, and obviously to make it more so the stencil does not move much, like at the back, and I have the back side, so I know where it's going. Okay, and I am just setting this up, setting my card up, and checking out how much I want the design there. What I will do is I'm using Tim Holtz distress ink. One is old paper, the other one is ice spruce. First I will go with the lighter shade. I always go with the lighter shade for the stencils mostly. It is really up to you what you use and how you do it. I'm using a finger dauber. This is my own finger dauber, and sorry, not my own, I bought it from a local shop, and it's up to you what you want to use, what blending tool or whatever you have in handy, whichever is comfortable with you. And I feel this is really comfortable. Stems by Me also has the larger ones, a little bit bigger than these, I guess a lot bigger. The finger daubers, they also have blending tools. Their blending tools are really good, like really good. They have high quality stencils. As you can see, the stencil is really thick, and you can, because I am like blending, so I just thought I would give you some more details for the stencils. You can also use this stencil for any heavy mixed media material or products. It will not get damaged that easily. It does not tear. I have used their their stencils a lot, and you can also check out their dies, their paper pads. Their paper pads are really cool. I have made lots of samples for them. You can check my earlier videos for samples. I've given some details of what products I've used, and as you can see, now I'm just satisfied with the shade I wanted for this shade, this old paper shade. I will try to show you guys. As you can see, the effect it has given me, and I did not remove my hand. If you want, you guys can always go ahead and stick something over here on all four sides. If you guys are new, I am in the habit of using this, so it does not really affect me that much, and I can easily use it. Now I am using a darker shade on the stencil of iced cruise. Their distress ink is really cool. The effect is really good. It wants, no doubt. I'm sure you guys would agree with me. And please don't forget to leave a comment on my tutorial and like my tutorial. If you guys have any suggestion for my tutorial or my videos, please go ahead and let me know. I don't mind any suggestions from anyone. And yes, as you can see, now I am satisfied with the shades I have done on my stencil. I will take it out a little bit so you guys can see. Just really love the effect it always gives me, these two shades. I'm crazy about ice blues and old papers. Old paper effect is like too good. You can also use it for your leaves as well. I've used this for my leaves a lot. Okay, here's one of the hacks I mostly use. I don't have a platform or anything for blending my paints right now. You can do it on your stamping platform or whatever you like. I mostly use acetate sheet. You can also use your glass. I have a small glass. I will still show you the small glass. As you can see, I have this small glass. I mostly use it for stamping and I also use it for shading as well. Right now I am using this acetate sheet because I just wanted to use this for now. What I will do is I will first take the darker shade. What I am doing is I am putting I will be putting splatters on my project because I love doing that on my projects most of the time. And what I will do is I will just mist my acetate sheet a little bit with water, and I will take my brush, small brush, medium sized brush. It's up to you which one you want to use. Okay, it still got ink on it from my last tutorial which I just did a while back, and I just sat and I was like, no, I want to finish this off. Okay, here it goes. I've just mixed this up. Start putting in, doing your splatters. It's up to you how much you want it on your project. If you want too much of it or you want really less of it, it is really up to you. I am getting the hang of the tutorials. I am thinking of doing lots and lots of tutorials, especially for the beginners, because a few of my friends whom I know, they have been actually asking me and saying make a smaller video. I don't know how long will this video be, but they have been asking me for the smaller videos, and they said just make different tutorials, easy tutorials for us so we can start. You guys can also start. If you have been thinking of doing paper crafting, go ahead and start doing it. They are really it's a beautiful craft, to be honest. You have hundreds and hundreds of ideas, variations, how to do this, how to do that. You can use this only one stencil in so many places and in so many style that you would be actually like, wow, that I did not know this was supposed to be like this. Okay, the darker shade I'm doing is aged mahogany from Distress Ink, and I'm cleaning my brush right now and taking this water a little bit, and again I will do the splatter. I'm doing a really I want my splatters to be really small, not too big. As you can see what this is giving me. I hope you like this project of mine, my tutorial of small card. This one is 5 by, this card inches is 5 by 4 inches, and I am really hoping that you like it. Okay, here it goes. I'm cleaning out my brush now, and I am also cleaning the mess I have done. Actually, I just clean it up so it does not get on something else right now, because I don't want it to ruin anything else. guys. As you can see, I have finished my card right now. You can see the beauty of this. Actually, if you guys don't know, I have actually I am actually making this second project on the back of the card I just made a while back on the tutorial, because it did not give me a proper color of my card which I actually wanted. So what I'm doing is, okay, what I will do is I will finish this project up. I hope I get another one. I do have some cut off Stencils with me, which I mostly use, and I love using it. Okay, this time I will put in perfectly perfect, because last time I had just the way you are and I have actually ruined it. And here it goes. I will shade this up. By the way, I did not actually know how this would look, the stencil shades and the two shades I used on the stencil on this card, because I just went ahead and started making a project, and I was like, I would love to make a tutorial today. I will try to make as many tutorials as possible for you guys, and I hope you can see what I have done. And I am using the glue stick. It's up to you whichever you want to use, and you can use any stencil. If you have mandala, just go ahead and use mandala or any other one. I will also use my other stencil for the project soon, hopefully. And actually I have opened the gemstones packets. I have these gemstones from Stencils by Me. I have 4 shades: white, pink, gold and black. Their gemstones are, if you guys can see, their gemstones are really actually beautiful. I've put in the black one in the middle of this cute little flower, and I will also put in the black one, the gold one over here, and my simple yet beautiful project is complete. A card, you can always give it to your close friends. This just came out. You can always give this card to your close friends, or just any colleague or anyone, or a male friend as well, because of the shades. They are actually quite dark and beautiful shades. It's up to you how you put in your splatters, if you want the small one or the large ones. If you have any question, please don't forget to comment at the bottom of my tutorial, on my tutorial video. And this one is just coming off again. I think I have not, this is coming off. I will just leave it the way it is for a while, and I will also show you one more stencil I've got from Stencils by Me. This one is a floral stencil, lamination plus stencil by Stencils by Me, stencilsbyme.co.uk. You also get free tutorial with this if you scan me. And I'm really hoping you guys like my tutorial, my first, not really my first tutorial, but I'm getting the hang of it. I will try to do it every now and then, few of these every few days, so I get the hang of it, and I will start giving you tutorials for a larger project as well. Something really different and beautiful. I have actually done some tutorials before, and please do check out my samples for Stencils by Me, which I have made for their design bee, and I'm hoping you like it. please subscribe to my YouTube channel and just comment and let me know how you like my tutorial. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.